When I ain't had no money, I still had sauce. If you don't got no sauce, you lost.
Come on, Jay-Z. No, I think you're gonna get kicked out.
I will. Oh no. Boy! Track day. 2023 is New Year's Eve. This is typically how we end off our New Year's Eve anyway. So this is Super D, New Year's Eve. I got this ball head boy out here. I got my car out here. A ton of friends everywhere. We're sick. I got my driving shoes on. You can see massive clutch kicks be happening with that shit. It's cold as hell. It's raining. We're gonna be on big track. We're gonna be hearing a lot of that. There's multiple skid pad layouts, and I think there'll be a few little special guests around today. It's dope, but the main part is we're doing some drifting. So I'm having him warm his car up. Jaylen and I are gonna suit up, right, Jay?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna go out and do a couple of laps, warm the cars up, get everybody back broken in and familiar with stuff, and let's go. Oh, matter of fact, I wanted to put this in the same video. God damn it! Winter Jam a couple of days ago. Matter of fact, let's roll to that, and then we'll come back to this and we'll set it up. We'll be in the car when we come back. We'll be out.
Nice cold, little brisk ass morning. Get a little bit of time to myself since it's gonna be a packed ass weekend full of a whole lot of shit that I need to take care of. This is technically the second day of Winter Jam, and the first day we started was on a Friday. Friday was a special situation where we got to go on track, full laps of the track, first time that we've ever done it. So that was pretty damn dope, and we're gonna roll you right into that.
Well, y'all, we haven't been vlogging in a long time. Obviously, he's been up to grid life and doing all the car stuff, but not really so much vlogging going on. Trying to get back in the habit of vlogging and stuff. We're at Winter Jam. This is Friday, so this isn't the event because he hasn't been able to drive the white car too much at all. Like, not at all.
We bought that in 2011.
Your time is up, Wastegate.
HKS product, the 50 mil OG GT. We know it'll last you
Over 10 years.
exactly at least 10 years.
Drive it, and this is the perfect excuse for him to go and test. He's been wanting to do time attack a lot in that car, so now basically today is essentially the day, and then tomorrow hopefully he's going to be driving again for actual Winter Jam. So
we're gonna come back in. I'm gonna put my arm out the window.
Like this is forever. This is weird. Is he even on me?
Nah, make sure you got the. There you go. Now it's just the wide angle. You know what I mean?
So, my plan for 2024 is to drive together. Because only tandem I've really ever had.
Ryan Cotto. Damn, I ain't seen him in hella long.
Only driving I've actually done tandeming wise has been with Austin. And
with Austin.
Last year, Super
yeah,
D.
last year Super D. Yeah.
So, the goal is to drive with him.
The goal is to drive with me. Because I'm getting bored. These niggas' cars keep breaking. So
my car don't break. My car just have no problems. It just be sitting.
It just be sitting.
It just be sitting.
So yeah, none of this shit. Spend hella money, hella time. Come out here, this motherfucker only works. I don't know, man. I think leaving everything pretty close to stock is the wave. A bolt on here or there, not touching too much is the wave. Drive your car is the wave. Into 2023 out like this is the wave. Maxed out storage is the wave.
Yes, and this is the phone that we started on. So
we do got the lav mics on.
Oh, but it's not connected to this
I know
phone.
It's not connected to this one. Turn them off, but
damn,
we stepping it up. We stepping it up a little bit.
Yeah, but
stepping it up a little bit.
Yep, 2024.
We gonna do more.
A lot more. This nerd got to drive too. I drove his car better than he
Can I be
did.
in your YouTube video, please?
No, you cannot
Senor,
be in
please.
the YouTube video. Because this YouTube video, that's crazy. That's a little bit borderline.
That's a little bit borderline.
This YouTube video is about drivers. You know driver, man.
I have my papers, my license.
You have your bad license. I mean, you need to take this engine out and put it in your car and then make your dad go back. Make your dad go back.
You should
SR.
put that shit
Okay.
in your IS where it's supposed to be in. The problem is the Jay-Z don't want to be in no goddamn Nissan. It wants to be in a Toyota. You know what I mean? A lot of driving.
We drove everything but the small L because the small L was really, really small.
It wasn't that small. It's just
It wasn't something for us to be on like that. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I saw him come back the other way. That's an actual grippy boy.
So
That's the kind of cars the RX-8 be going up against getting washed.
I mean, look at it.
Yeah, it's on Hoosiers and shit. RX-8 be getting his ass whooped by that kind of
Yeah.
shit, man.
But yeah, so we're gonna close out this vlog.
We closed out like 5 times. Super
Yeah.
NYE 2023 is over with. 2024, we starting anew. We got a whole lot more shit planned. We got a whole lot more stuff to do. Jaylen's got a whole lot more stuff to do because it's time for him to show you what he can do. Y'all already know what I can do. If you don't, you'll see it along with me doing it with my son. Other than that, my hand's ashier than a bitch, and I'm gonna eat too. Oh yeah. He got him a MacBook for Christmas and all that. So he say he gonna edit. So we'll see. Matter of fact, he about to edit this part of the video. The first half was me. The second half is Jay.
That's fine.
You say it ain't nothing. It ain't nothing. He got high pitched. It ain't nothing.
It's not hurting.
All right, so we gonna do that. Jay gonna edit this shit. I edited the first portion. And that's how we closing out this year.